Hi friends, welcome to our channel Travelopedia. After visiting Sri Sailam Sri Arjun Swami Temple, we are heading to our next destination, which is Bairluty Jungle Resort. It is also famous as the hidden forest getaway of Nagarjuna Sagar. Deep inside the tranquil forest of Nagarjuna Sagar lies a retreat few have heard of, Bairluty Jungle Resort. Surrounded by thick greenery and echoing with the sounds of birds and nature, the resort offers an experience that's part of adventure, part serenity. It is around 97 kilometers from Sri Sailam and will take around 2 to 3 hours to reach there, as the route is a bit hilly and goes through the Nalamala forest area. As you drive in, the mobile signals will start fading, but the nature's connection gets stronger. So it's a perfect digital detox zone. And now we have reached our destination. And stepping into the Bairluty feels like you are entering a forest village. The cottages are designed with eco-friendly materials like stones and sloping roofs and minimal decor. You will immediately sense that it's just a stay. It's an experience designed to immerse you in the wild. Friends, this resort is perfect for the families as it offers the kids zones as well, which has slides, swing, and you can see here they have a provision for climbing, and behind that you can see the swings, and it has ample open space to run around safely. So it is a rare to find a jungle stay that caters so well to the kids as well. Wow, it's so green, so peaceful. What else you want? So that is the restaurant area where you can dine in. And now here comes our cottage. So let's take a view of our cottage. Now here is the room, friends. It is very spacious and provides a wooden furniture, AC, cozy bed, water bottles, chairs to sit, and separate dressing area as well. This is hand wash area, and beside is the washroom. Now this is the restaurant area where you can enjoy your food, and this small place is the buffet area where they keep the food, so you can take, and behind it is a kitchen where they cook the food. So now friends, let's take you to the evening safari tour. This evening safari tour is complimentary to the guests who plan to stay over here overnight. They take you to the jungle inside their own vehicles. Before we show you further, don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. And now let's continue our journey into the jungle safari. Driver uncle has stopped the vehicle. I think he has spotted something. So let's figure out what's that. It's moving a bit backward. And I think, yeah, it looks like something is there. Oh wow, those are deers. Can you see, guys? There are deers over the back. Yeah, I saw one. Did you see? And now we have reached inside the jungle area, and there is a viewpoint where you can see the lush green forest in the 360-degree view, and for that you have to walk a little bit, so let's go there. After walking, now we have to climb some stairs over this rocky area and to reach our viewpoint. So let's start. Wow, so beautiful and green, isn't it, friends? So now I can guess it is why it is so difficult to spot a tiger in this forest. It's so dense and so vast. After that viewpoint, we are back to our vehicle, and till now we have not spotted any tiger, so our driver uncle is taking us on to a separate trail if we can spot them to try our luck. This is the last spot where there was a chance to find a tiger, but bad luck, we couldn't see anything. And now it's a night time, and they have arranged a small video for us where they explain us how this has helped with the tiger conservation project with the help of local villages, and how they track tigers and how many people are involved.
So if you see the
So
other
let's
tiger
do
reserve,
this video.
only space for tiger is only 500 hectares. So lot of space is there, a lot of scope is there for increasing the population of the tigers. Corridor area, in NSTR we are having corridor area also in Kadapa and Chittoor district. So corridor area also almost 5,000 square kilometers. In NSTR we are having 63 anti-poaching camps. For each base camps, 5 protection watchers. Mostly.
Good morning, friends, and this is the day 2 of our stay, and this is the place where we had a bonfire last night, and it's a good place to start with the morning walk. So now let's head towards the education center, and they have created a small museum kind of thing where different artificial animals they have created, and kids can understand their sounds. So let's check this out.
Press whichever sound you want to listen. Nilgai. That one is Nilgai. Jungle cat. Jungle cat. Press home. Porcupine. Porcupine.
I want to see. No.
This you have in Hyderabad also.
I want to make a cheetah.
Hi, badger.
That one.
Go नीचे.
I want to do a tiger.
Family, this one. Sitting in front of you. Sloth bear. Feature. Sloth bear.
And baby sloth.
Friends, this is a place where our leaders from the past have planted certain trees, and now they have so grown up. So this one was planted by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ji. It's a huge big tree now, and many more. All planted by different leaders from the past and living trees. So friends, that was all about Bairluty Jungle Forest, and now we are heading back to Hyderabad. But this is not a goodbye. We'll be back with more videos, and do let us know your comments where you want some improvements and more details in the comment section. Goodbye.